We're so lucky to be able to hear the unique ideas of Cathie Wood, who is one of the most important people in the financial world. The smart person behind ARK Invest says that software is the next big thing for AI investment. ARK Invest just recently shared this point of view. She is about to say something that could be the key that unlocks a new path for you. What does this mean for your wealth, though? If Cathie Wood's dream comes true, which 2 stocks would you wish you had bought? That's exactly what we are going to look into. Before we reveal these possible gems, make sure to hit the notice bell like our post and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. This way you'll always know when we post new content. Allow us to begin right away. Imagine a time in the future when artificial intelligence isn't just a dream, but a world full of endless options. This possible future was drawn in a very interesting way by the futurists at Cathie Wood's ARK Investment Management earlier this year. You should come on this trip with us if you like Elon Musk's Tesla and are interested in AI. ARK Investment Management's 8 exchange-traded funds ETFs, which focus on different areas of technology, said that artificial intelligence AI would help the world economy grow by an amazing $200 trillion by 2030. AI is more than just a tool when you look into it more. It's about to change the way people work. Imagine if businesses used AI to make software faster, find new treatments, and handle insurance cases more quickly. You may be thinking what Tesla has to do with all of this. Already, companies like NVIDIA are making a lot of money from AI. This is mostly because of how important their data center technology is. But Cathie Wood is looking ahead to the future. When she talked to experts, she stressed that the software business was a gold mine that had not yet been explored. ARK's math shows that software companies can make an amazing $8 for every dollar that NVIDIA makes from chip hardware. By 2030, these software tycoons might have made $14 trillion. Now that we've given you a general idea of artificial intelligence, let's talk about Tesla, a company that has always gone above and beyond. Don't forget that Tesla is more than just a big company that makes strong electric cars. We find a lot of interesting and possible connections to our last talk about AI as we learn more about it. A lot of people think of Tesla when they think of electric vehicles, EVs. The company plans to make 1.8 million cars this year, but its goals are much bigger than that. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, wants 20 million cars a year to have the Tesla logo on them by 2030. Really cool, huh? But that's not where the real magic is. Tesla is making a symphony of software and self-driving technology that goes inside these sleek electric vehicles. Not only are these cars environmentally friendly ways to get around, but they are also the basis for Tesla's revolutionary fully driverless driving technology. Tesla is not only in the race to make cars that drive themselves, it is at the front of it. ARK Invest has shockingly found that there are currently 2.7 million Tesla electric cars on roads around the world. Each of these cars has the latest version of full self-driving technology. In the tough world of self-driving cars, what does this number really mean? Imagine that Tesla is already ahead of everyone else in a race while most people are still putting on their shoes. To give you an example, Tesla's closest competitor, a well-known brand, has been able to get its self-driving technology to market much more quickly, a tenth of the time it took Tesla. This means that for every self-driving car this competitor makes, Tesla has 10 on the road. Tesla's impressive display not only shows how much customers believe and value the company, but it also shows how different Tesla's numbers are from those of its closest competitor. This shows how far ahead of the competition Tesla is in the field of self-driving cars. Tesla has a huge head start in the area of self-driving technology, which could give it a big advantage as it grows quickly. Musk said some interesting things during Tesla's Q2 earnings call. The FSD full self-driving cars that Tesla has sold have covered more than 300 million miles between them. This is a lot of useful information, not just proof of how popular they are. Every mile that Tesla's AI models go, they get better, sharper, and smarter. So how does Musk plan to make money off of this AI-powered FSD technology? If you owned a Tesla, you could improve your drive experience with the push of a button. Tesla wants to have a business plan where your car keeps getting better after you buy it. Maybe being able to do everything on your own is just the beginning. If Tesla owners choose a subscription plan, they can stay up to date on the latest changes in self-driving cars. This way, their cars will always be at the cutting edge of technology. It's not enough to just buy a car, you have to become a part of a living environment where the car gets smarter, safer, and more efficient over time. Not only is Tesla's FSD software a turning point in the company's past, it is also a model for the rest of the auto industry. Tesla has thought about a new way to make money selling its best product to other big car companies. They see it as the best and most profitable option. In a very competitive market, it may not make sense, but Tesla can set standards for the industry by positioning itself as both an automaker and a tech provider. By selling their technology, Tesla could make money and speed up the move towards self-driving cars around the world. There is a new player in the ride-hailing business, and the old ones should pay attention. Elon Musk wants to do a lot more than just help people buy cars. He thought that towns would be full of Tesla cars that would be ready to pick up people at any time. That being said, this isn't just any fleet. Tesla's cutting-edge FSD software would let these cars drive themselves. It works like the popular Uber or Lyft services, but in a future way. It offers a ride that is smooth, quick, and always available without the need for human drivers. This project could change the way people get around cities, making it safer and more efficient. It could also make Tesla a leader in yet another area of the economy. Not like the past, the future looks bright for Tesla, and it's no longer just about the drive. Tesla is changing the way EVs work, and the third option they're looking into is really cutting edge. I think about this: most private cars are parked most of the time and are only driven an average of 12 hours per week. This is a striking example of wasted space. You could use your Tesla, but what if it could work for you when you're not? Elon Musk has an interesting idea. Tesla owners should be able to lend their expensive cars to the company's self-driving car hailing network. It's good for everyone. Owners make some extra money, and Tesla gets a cut of the money. Now let's look at the numbers, which show that things will go well. In the most recent quarter, the company made 18.2% more money on each Tesla than it spent on production. Musk, on the other hand, is always looking ahead and thinks this is just the start. When you add in sales of FSD software, this profit could go through the roof above 70%. What does ARK Invest think will happen? It's possible that Tesla could charge whatever they want for their electric cars, EVs, leaving competitors in the dust while making a lot of money in the software market. Musk has a positive view of Tesla's software-driven future, but not everyone does. ARK Invest, on the other hand, says that the wave of self-driving cars will make Tesla's value soar to an amazing $6.1 trillion by 2027. To give you an idea of how much this means, Tesla is currently worth about $784 billion. This means that the company's stock price will go up by an amazing 799% in the next few years. This growth rate is almost unheard of for a company the size of Tesla. It shows how much ARK Invest believes in Tesla's work and how they think it will completely change the tech and auto industries. Assuming ARK Invest's predictions come true, investing in Tesla is not only a smart move, but also a step toward a software-driven change in transportation. So, Tesla seems like the best choice for anyone who wants to take an exciting trip into the future of AI and technology that doesn't need a driver. Tesla is not only a major player in the auto business, but has also been a leader in putting AI to useful use. A lot of people know about Tesla's rise to fame in the electric car business, but its work in AI is sometimes overlooked. Tesla's self-driving features, such as autopilot, which uses advanced neural networks, video data, and onboard computers to make real-time driving choices, show how committed the company is to AI-driven solutions. It's interesting that every Tesla car on the road acts as a data gathering node, constantly sending data to a central neural net to help AI programs get better. But Tesla's AI goals go beyond making cars.